In this video, we'll talk about money management, spending less than you take in, and using this surplus for wise investments is an important tactic to sound financial health. Money management involves working with budgets to understand and make choices about where your cash is going. This also means knowing how to make this surplus of money work best for your needs. Managing your money correctly can free up assets for investments and saving, not to mention effective investors understand the value of time because investing early allows the money to grow over an extended time period. When it comes to long-term investments, the rate of return will fluctuate over time. Additionally, investments that offer the potential for high returns also carry a high risk factor. With a little knowledge on the role time plays in your long-term investments, you can make more intelligent decisions when it comes to money and assets management. Another strategy that aids in financial health is finding the appropriate combination of investments. Cash substitutions are at the base of a sensible portfolio because they allow you to meet immediate and irregular expenses. Having cash and cash alternatives will allow you to manage other investments instead of selling at what may be an inopportune moment. The purpose here is to manage investment risks by assigning assets to different investment opportunities. After the financial crisis of 2008, the American population broke a long-standing trend of little personal savings and began increasing the amount of money saved by the average person. During this time of financial mayhem, the personal savings rate began to climb and continued to climb during the recession. In general, the U.S. has a pattern of saving during rough economic times and spending during more fruitful times. However, a consistent and steady approach is more favorable for saving. Each individual is unique, so there may be special concerns that will influence your investment portfolio. One size does not fit all. Always remember that the liquidity of your funds has a large influence on your investments portfolio. If you have investments that are readily available, your portfolio may require a smaller savings amount. If your reserves have little to no liquidity, then it may be wise to have larger savings on hand, perhaps for a longer period of time. You need a partner that is well educated with years of experience in money management. That's what you'll get with Lotus Benefits. For more information about money management, please contact Lotus Benefits below.